The presidential spokesperson George Charamba has strongly criticized the use of the term Chigananda label, now commonly applied to wealthy, politically connected business figures in Zimbabwe, warning that such language undermines the nation's economic progress. Sana bina mashoko togo panapa ewanana George Charamba achataka aiwa tagwirei kuti aiwa akataura nemashoko kuti Chigananda panguva ino nokwakunzi aiwa ari kuti rino undermine economic progress in Uganda. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The phrase has gained traction in recent months, often used disparagingly to refer to individuals perceived to have amassed riches through state-linked deals or upper tender processes. Its popularity sagged following remarks by Vice President Chiwenga, who used it in what many interpreted as a veiled attack on the elites benefiting from political patronage. Charamba, writing under his ex-account on Zamsoro007, took aim at the derogatory framing of entrepreneurship in Zimbabwe, saying it was counterproductive in quotes. We hinder our own development by attaching negative labels to those who generate wealth, he wrote. If we are serious about capitalism, which is the system we live under, then we must understand and embrace the rules of the game, unless, of course, we want socialism and can realistically achieve it. Ndo mashwari kuda panapa achitaurwa awana George Charamba achiataka autagwirei, but mostly VP Constant Chiwenga achiti aiwa this wedhera vakachitaura aiwa ine address rekuti zvigananda ro undermine economy yedu. Panguva ino inongo kunzi as vana atagwirei they are ascending to power, panguva ino ine influence yavo the ruling party ZANU-PF payari kuingiriza. Right now panapa tikona kuti vana Charamba vari kuya vachiti musashandisa that term rekuti zvigananda, but item rinyasa kuprova zvinhu zviri paground chikwadi chiripo, but these guys they are trying kuti vavige corruption iri kuitika munyika so that they do not face any opposition. Tudze mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakomesa kuchemedudza mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.